Hey plumbers, if you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today, on a Sunday, I'm going to help out a gentleman on my first virtual plumbing call via Facetime. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. He's kind of stuck. He's got a tub leak and we're not quite sure what he's got going on. We set up a 12:30 appointment and we're going to get it done and take a look-see. So this is, again, my first virtual plumbing call. Let's see what we can do for him, folks. See you inside. Hey, what's up?
What's going on, man?
Oh, he's wearing a Stockton shirt.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright. My son's playing for Stockton this year.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I graduated from there in 2016.
Oh, right on. He's a freshman. And I got a senior this year. So what do you got?
Let's see. So first, the only thing I need to do here is get my handle to work here. But so it came with the Delta handle I got came with a cartridge. Actually, let me go get it. So it came with this cartridge here.
Okay.
Which does not go into that diverter. So I don't know, do I need to change out the diverter, or just can I somehow get this cartridge to work in there with an adapter?
What is it? What's the problem? You need a handle extension, a stem extension?
So I mean,
it looks like you need an extension kit for the plate.
I'm not really 100% sure.
That's what it looks. Go ahead. I'm sorry.
This is the other problem here. So I took that off yesterday to take the cartridge out. I was going to bring it to Lowe's to see if they knew anything about it. And then now it's just got a nonstop drip coming out of the faucet here.
Oh, so that's a leak. It's a drip inside the tub. I thought it was a leak behind the tile. Oh, I see it. I see it dripping now.
Yeah. So it's coming out of here, and I had to hurry up and kind of put this back on because it was coming out of here too.
Okay.
And even the water is off. I mean, it's as off as I can get it, and it's still just dripping out.
Did you solder with the cartridge out?
What's that?
when you soldered the faucet, did you solder with it out of the faucet? Did you take it apart to solder it?
No. Well, so with this, the tile guys actually put this on.
No, not that part. The faucet handle. When you put the faucet in, did you solder it all up, or did someone else do it?
No. So this is exactly what was here before.
Oh, you didn't change the faucets.
No. So this is done. This is completely not changed at all.
Okay. All right. So that was existing.
Yep.
Okay. So now you're looking to change that cartridge. I would say you got the drip now, which we don't know where it came from, right? It just started dripping.
It started yesterday when maybe I just loosened something up in here, but when I took these 4 screws out to take this cartridge out,
okay,
it started dripping out of here and here, so that's when that started.
Okay, what I would do is shut the house off, the water off to the house.
Okay.
And take that whole piece apart. Show me the faucet. I'll point it to you. The handle. I would take the whole piece out and replace the cartridge, because that will solve your problem. You might have to chip that door rock so you can pull that whole piece out, that clip, but that will come right out, the Delta.
Yeah. So this is what I had this whole piece out yesterday, the entire thing out yesterday.
Okay.
And that's what made it start kind of leaking like this, and then leaking from here too, and which was going to the back. There's an access panel behind it.
Right.
So it was dripping down there too, and I didn't want that going down the wall.
Sure. My question is this: also, does your trim fit on that, or is it in the wall too much? Can you get your handles on that thing, or is it not sticking out far enough? Did you try that yet?
I'm not sure. So what I have is, I think the way they had it kind of on the manual was that this kind of stuck out a little bit.
Okay.
You're right. Maybe it doesn't stick out far enough because they have this big extender. That
Oh, I got you. Okay, all right.
So I'm not really sure how.
Right. Well, you did say it was the existing faucet too.
Yeah.
So what I would do is shut the house off. I would trim that piece of door box so you could pull that plate out and just replace that thing. Pull it right out and put the new one in. That should solve your problem.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, for sure. Because that's what happens. I mean, how old's that faucet? It was original when you moved in, right?
Yeah, when I moved in.
Okay, so you don't even know how old it is. So with that, you just check it because they're actually guaranteed for life. If you call them up, they'll send you a free one, dude.
What?
Delta, yeah, that's like a $65 stem, right?
So this, I didn't buy any of that, but this here is what came with the actual faucet itself. This whole kit.
Oh, that came with it.
Yeah. So this is just all of this is just original, and then this is all just what came with it.
Okay. Well, you bought new trim for the Delta. I see that. You bought new trim, right? Okay, that's fine. But the new stem came with it too. The new cartridge.
Yeah, this came with the filter, with the handle and this.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what I would do is turn the building off, pop them 4 screws off. That stem pops right out once you take and that'll solve your leak.
Okay.
Was that your question you had for me?
Yeah, I mean,
the cart.
Like if I replaced this
Uh-huh.
and was able to get the right, I guess, adapter in there for this to work in there.
Right.
I'm not sure. Like the tile guy, I was saying I had to replace the whole diverter.
Well, that's the thing. I'm trying to look at it, and if it's a Delta, replacing a Delta, you should be fine.
That's the thing. I don't know if this is a Delta or not. I know when I took this off, like this definitely didn't seem to fit in there at all. Like it's a completely different kind of setup they have inside there.
Yeah. Okay. See, I'm not familiar with what you got there. Then why don't you do this? Why don't you?
I was going to take it apart and see if there was a way that I could maybe like just have like this part on it, but I don't know if that's even possible.
Nah, I wouldn't do that. Can you read the name on the valve body behind the wall? Just trying to figure out what kind of faucet you got. Can't really say it. This is my first virtual plumbing call.
Nice. Yeah, there's nothing on the diverter itself besides like some plumbing code stuff, I guess.
Right. Can you take a picture and send me the picture of that valve? The piece behind the wall. Oh, I lost you. Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah. Take a picture of like when I take it apart.
No, the valve body behind the wall, like where you just were in the trap door.
Oh, okay.
If you can get a good picture of that, I might be able to tell what it is. Even though I can't tell by the stem, to be honest with you. The cartridge, I keep calling it a stem.
I'm not sure what the heck this is. I mean, let me see if I can. Here. I'm not sure if this helps at all, but no, I probably gotta take off this other piece of drywall right here because the diverter sits in here.
Okay, don't worry about that. What I would do is shut the water off and take the cartridge out, and then when you get that thing out, call me back and we'll look at it together, okay?
All right, sounds good.
For sure, all right?
Thank you.
All right, man, no problem. Here's the case. The case is this already. You know, as plumbers out there in the world, when you renovate a bathroom, everybody, replace the old faucets, use a name brand, and get it done right. And we wouldn't have this problem when he's ready to finish the tile up. So hopefully we can get him through this. Hopefully it's a Delta. And if not, he's got to figure out what company it is and find out what cartridge it is, and then of course replace it. Just a delay in the process. Hello.
Hey. Alright, so I shut the water off and I took this off here. I don't know.
Yeah, I was just online looking at some stuff.
Okay.
And I'm going to guess it's a Price Pfister that's in there.
Okay.
If you look up Price Pfister, if you show me let me see the old stem, the hand where the handle goes on the old cartridge. I'm almost positive it's a Price Pfister, dude.
Okay.
So you got
that wouldn't work with that.
Right. And so what trim did you buy? What trim kit?
I just bought it's this Delta kit, so I had no idea what the heck was even on here, so I just bought this new kit because we just wanted a black handle, that's all.
Right.
And it was
now the funny part is maybe Delta makes Price Pfister. I have no idea. But if you look up Price Pfister, I was just online. I'll send you the picture I took. Your stem and that metal 4-screw plate looks like a Price Pfister.
Okay.
That's why I asked you to send me that pic. While you were even doing that, I went and looked, and I'm guessing it is a Price Pfister.
So then that would mean I would need a Price Pfister.
You'll need a Price Pfister stem cartridge. I'm sorry, I keep calling it a stem, but it's cartridge, and a Price Pfister trim kit because you want. Yeah. Now, if you want, you can actually call Price Pfister and say, "Hey, this is what I got. Will this trim kit work on your faucet body?" That's the. Do you still have the old plate?
Nah. Because the old stuff was all chrome and everything, and we wanted all black.
Right.
But I don't know. I wonder if Lowe's or Home Depot has.
Well, I just looked up on the reason I got a picture of Price Pfister was from Home Depot.
Okay.
Matter of fact, I'll send you the picture in a second. Okay.
Gotcha.
So it looks like you got a Delta cartridge for a Price Pfister faucet.
Gotcha.
All right, that's your problem.
All right. So I guess I'll run over to Home Depot and see what they have there.
Right.
So I guess should I just bring?
I would definitely bring that old cartridge with you.
Bring both of these.
Yup.
Okay.
Bring a picture of your faucet, and because you're gonna need a cartridge, and perhaps a trim kit if that trim kit will not fit on, which I don't think it will. They might be able to tell you over there. I'm not sure.
Gotcha.
That's the story.
All right. So then, do you think once I am able to, I guess, replace this, I still didn't know why this had a constant drip from it. Maybe it was because I messed with this and didn't have something lined up in there. I don't know.
Well, if you had it apart and it's old, maybe one of the O-rings is bad.
Okay.
If it was new, maybe some debris got in there, or maybe some debris. If you take it all apart and wash it out right now, like that, they look like old washers, man.
Okay.
That's where
one of them was stuck in there when I took this out originally.
Oh, there you.
And then I took it out and put it back in this.
Oh, there you go. That might be a problem. But if you get a new cartridge from Price Pfister, that should solve your problem. And then your next step will be to make sure that you get the right trim that will secure, for that handle.
Okay.
If you get the color to match, you can leave the spout. This way you don't have to do that again.
Right.
It depends on what finishes they sell.
Gotcha.
All right.
All I need is just a black handle. Maybe I'll get a freaking whatever handle they have and just spray paint it or something.
Right. You want the right plate because you don't want no leaks when you shower.
Right.
Okay. So that's the key.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, well, I'll go over there and see what they got then.
Yeah, and I'll send you this picture in the meantime.
Cool, thank you very much.
All right, dude, I'll talk to you.
Alright, see you.
Bye-bye. I'm thinking this is it. This cartridge right here, the Pfister 2-handle. I don't think the Delta trim will work on that, but let's look up price Pfister cartridge here. Oh, there it is. #1 search engine. See, look. Oh, it looks like there'd be some different ones. Alright, so he's going to bring the cartridge with him, but here's the O-rings here. That has a different setup of O-rings. And I'm sure there's different cartridges, just like there's different cartridges for mowing. Oh, this might be it right here. Dun. Anyway, we sent him in the right direction. A little screenshot here, folks. Who don't love screenshots? We'll give him that picture, and we'll go with the cartridges. See, to me, I know everybody works hard. Everybody wants to save a couple of bucks, but what is your time value compared to time off? Just to pay a professional to come in and knock this out. Free up your weekend. Take care of mama. Alright, let's send these pictures over here. Hold on one second. Boop. Did everybody see my little kitty cat? There he is. Alright. Well, there you have it. This is very typical in a home of someone trying to do their own plumbing. Very hard to do, folks. Very hard to do. Anyway, we're going to get him through it as best we can via FaceTime and Facebook. So, right now he's on his way to Home Depot. Going to pick up whatever he needs. See what we can do for him on this beautiful Sunday day. As a matter of fact, we killed it today on the surf scene. Whew. Good day, folks. It was a good day. We will see you when he gets back from Home Depot. Just got the update on the Price Pfister job. Everything's A-OK. Handle ordered and proper stem installed. No callback required. So there you have it. A little modern day plumbing repair via FaceTime. Anyway, folks, we'll see you at the next one.